Hi, I'm Mohammad Nazir. I just do my hair plantation here. Since when I want to do my hair transplant, and I saw a website that in Malaysia, the GLOJAS hair transplant is of the best, the top list, and that the review is very nice. And personally, I also convinced. That's why I come here. I'm not flooding anyone to come here and do this. Everybody have their own choice. But what I feel myself is this is the best place to do it. And I done this, and I'm very happy because of Professor Dato Dr. JasG. He is personally handle the hair transplant. He give several hours until I finish my last graft. He is there. His team is such a wonderful team. I like them and I appreciate what they done for me. This is I'm carrying my whole life. So please, if anybody wants to do their hair transplant, please reach us. Your personal confidence is very important. Thank you, GLOJAS. Thank you so much.